Nice little teapot. You know, it's just a teapot, but does its job. The chintziest part is probably this right here, but I don't know why it would ever come off. It looks like it's well built. It's just a light little piece of metal, but handle collapses. The whistling part is right here. My old one, it was right here, but the whistling actually comes out of here, and I like it because it's not crazy loud. My wife has a tendency to just leave these things on for a while, and while they're whistling. And this one is not so obnoxious, but you could definitely hear it, you know, as long as you're in the house.